AjéFam, guess what? Part 2 is here. Let me show you exactly how to use the AjéCoin app to claim free daily cowries. No stress, just rewards. Remember our dashboard? Look closely, we're now sitting at 600 cowries. Let me break down exactly how I pulled that off. The first thing you'll see is that the timer has hit 0, meaning it's time to withdraw our freshly mined cowries. Now, we have 700 cowries. At the bottom, you'll see the navigation bar with Home, AjéTasks and AjéFrens. Let's check out what's on the AjéTasks page. Voila! Here's the list of task categories. Let's dive into Follow and Fly to see what tasks it holds. Now let's do the YouTube task called Comment and Earn. In the comments field, just drop your full, thoughtful comment. Once you're back in the app, our AI will check if you've completed the task and instantly reward you. As you can see, the task is now marked completed. Now, let's try a second task for better understanding. Just like before, we'll drop a solid comment. Now, let's head back to the app so the AI can verify our work and reward us. You can see the task is now marked as completed. Let's go back and dive into the other tasks and stack up cowries. Next up is Refer a Friend, which takes you straight to the AjéFrens page. Here, we can find both our referral code and referral link. Right. Here you'll see exactly how many friends you've brought in. The next on the list is the Daily Sparks tasks. This section's packed with AjéCoin and educational videos. When you click the task and land on YouTube, make sure to watch the video all the way through. Some videos hide secret passcodes as letters. Those passcodes are your gateway to more cowries. Now, let's say I've watched the video fully and got my passcode. Time to head back to the app and enter it. Since I entered the correct code, I've just been rewarded with 400 cowries. Do the same with other videos. More tasks, more cowries. Let's move to the login streak. Here, we'll see the number of day we use the app. AjAds isn't live yet. We'll notify you when it drops. See that drawer icon top right? More hidden gems inside. A few features are on the way, but AjéRanks is live now. As you can see on the screen, we've got the top 50 users. Back on the dashboard, you'll notice our cowry balance has gone up. We're now sitting at 1,900 cowries. And there you have it, AjéFam. That's how you earn more daily cowries by completing tasks. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and don't worry, we'll notify you across all our channels as soon as new ones drop.